Hello students, my name is Singh Bagga. I am teaching associate from Faculty of Commerce and Management, Rama University, Kanpur. Today we will talk about the topic that is computer application. First of all, we will talk about the definition of the computer. Definition of the computer is the computer word which is derived from the Latin word computerate, which means to compute, right? And a computer can work with the help of programs only. It cannot work without any program. Now we will talk about the block diagram of the computer. That is, this is a block diagram of our computer system. As you can see here, we will start with the input device. With the help of input device, we will give the data or information to the computer system, which it processed by the ALU and CU. You know what is the difference between the ALU and CU? This CU called control unit, which controls all the instructions given by the processor, and rest of the arithmetical and logical calculations will be calculated by ALU. Spontaneously, this memory unit will work to store the data as well as the information to process, and with the help of output device we can see the results of our work. So this is a block diagram of computer system. Now we will talk about the elements of computer system. Basically, computer have 4 elements that are data, user, software and hardware. These are the basic elements of computer system. Starting with the data on which we have to process, which will convert into information. That work will be done with the help of user. A specific user will be there who will work on it, and we need software and hardware both. With the help of computer system we can work on the data, and we need some specific software, either it may be system software or application software. With the help of these 4 elements we can work with the computer system. Now coming to the classification of computer system. You know, there are 3 types of computer system on the basis of size, on the basis of data, and on the basis of purpose. On the basis of size, there are 4 types of computer system. First is micro, second one is mini, third one is mainframe, and the fourth one is supercomputer. These all 4 are classified under the basis of size. Now we'll come to the basis of data representation, that is analog, second one is digital, and third one is hybrid computer. You know what is the difference between all these 4? Microcomputers, the computers which is a single user, and the desktop and laptops are the examples of it. Mini computer where 10 or 15 users working simultaneously. Mainframe computer where 100 of users work on a single system simultaneously, and the supercomputer where millions of instructions works within within nanoseconds. So we use supercomputers for the forecasting of the weather as well as the other research work. Now we'll come to the data. On the basis of data, there are analog computers. I want to tell you with the help of example analog computers. When any data which is coming with the help of physical appearances, that is called analog system. You can see this in the hospitals where the computers are connected with the patients to get the readings of their pulse as well as the heartbeat. Digital computer where we can see the output in the form of digits, and hybrid is the combination of this analog and digital computer. That is also coming in the hospitals where we can see the temperature as well as the pulse and other things on the same computer system. That is the example of hybrid computer. Now purpose, for the purpose there are 2 types of computers, general and specific. General purpose computers are basically for a number of tasks we can use, but for the specific purpose means now what we can say that for the single task, like for the reservation of the railway tickets and bus tickets also. So all these categories are available here on the basis of size, on the basis of data, and on the basis of purpose. Now we'll come to the next topic, that is generation of computer. I know you all know very well there are 5 generations of computer. I will tell you in brief. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There are 5 generations of computer. We will talk about the time period of this and the technology used in this generation. First generation computers start with 1946 to 1959, and the technology used is, and the second unit is 1959 to 1965. The third generation is starting from 1965 to 1971. The first generation starts from 1971 to 1983, and the fifth generation is 1983 to present. The first generation technology used that is vacuum tube. This vacuum tube technology was used in first generation computer. In 1959 to 1965, the second generation was there, and the technology used, that is transistors. The third generation starts from 1965 to 1971, where we use integrated circuit. The fourth generation, which starts from 1971 to 1983, that was VLSI or LSI, that is called very large scale integrated circuit and large scale integrated circuit. And now the present time we are working with artificial intelligence. This is the latest technology on which scientists are working right now. It is not fully opted by our environment or the people, but some of the examples I can tell you with the help of bio like sensors which we are using. We are using face lock in mobile. We are using multiple activities which we are doing on the daily basis, which is calculated by the mobile phones. That is a part of artificial intelligence. So in this way we can learn first, second, third, fourth, and fifth generation computers. These are the time periods, and this is the technology which is used in particular generations. Now, the best and the most important topic of this unit, that is characteristics of computer. See, we are talking about computer. Definitely we have to know the qualities, the specific reasons why we are using the computer system in a wider way. So that first characteristic is speed. You know what, if we compare a computer system with a human being, so definitely you will say a computer can work faster in comparison of a human being, right? The second thing is accuracy. Accuracy means to provide accurate data. A computer can gives us 99.99% accurate data. Again, if we will compare it with a human being, we can commit a mistake while calculating anything, but a computer cannot, right? The third is high storage capacity. High storage capacity. This quality which when compare to a people, like we can remember how many numbers, 50, 60 or 100, but a computer can store a large number of files, videos, images, PowerPoint presentations, Excel files, your personal images, like many softwares on your computer system. So this is the third quality. And now coming to the next, that is diligence. Here I want to use a Hindi word which clearly explain this word, karya kushal. You know what diligence means? A computer can work 24/7. It can work 24/7, 365 days with the help of two main elements, that is electricity and the second thing is cool environment. With the help of these two elements, a computer can work 24/7, 365 days. This is the quality of our computer system. You know, in a day we can work mostly 12 hours in a day, but a computer can work 24/7. I want to tell you one example of this. That example is ATM machines. ATM machines that is very near to you, and in a day you can see in the night or day, whenever you want cash from your account, you can withdraw that amount from any ATM machines that is available 24/7. Now the last one is, that is versatility. Versatility means a person or a machine which can work, which can accomplish multiple tasks at the same time. See, with the help of computer system, at the same time we can write our documents, we can print it. In the parallel, we can listen the songs, we can chat with our friends or relatives. See, on the same time, we can accomplish many tasks. So, this is the last but not the least. These are the 5 best qualities of the computer systems. This is the reason the people are working with the computer systems in a better way right now. Now, the last topic and the best thing is, in which we will not find any area which is not covered by the computer system. See, the applications of computer. Starting with the banking, you can see in banks, computers are using, hospitals, in post office, in research work, entertainment, in book printing, in shopping malls, in medical stores, in colleges, oblique schools, or any institution. In various corporate offices, so in this way we can say computer is not only using in government offices, starting with post office or hospitals, either you can say medical stores or colleges, but in every stage, in every area, computer is playing a important role in the life of human beings. You can see banks. Earlier we worked with the manual cash ledgers and other registers to complete the account of a particular person, but right now we are using bank and we can withdraw the cash or anything we can do with the different branches of the bank also. So in this way I want to complete the topic for the day, and surely we will come again to complete the next topic. Thank you.